Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard. For example, in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then let's enter the settings. Now let's tap on languages and types. And this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got Polish right now, so let's simply tap on Manage Input Languages. And we will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which we can choose. You can either download them or simply turn them off here. Simply find your language and tap on it. I will pick maybe Arabic. Just tap on this switcher, and from now on, after getting back to this section, you can see that the language has been immediately applied. What is more, we've got a new option right here, language switching method. So if you decide that you want to have two different languages, you can choose how you want to change between them. So you can use language key, spacebar swipe, or both. I will pick both options to show you how they work. And now we can go back to the keyboard. So let's go back. And basically, on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So we can change it just by swiping on the spacebar. Right now, we've got the Arabic language. And we've got also this globe icon, which will allow us to change the language just by tapping on it. So it's up to you which option is more comfortable for you. All right, so let's enter the settings, because I'd like to show you how to remove the language. Let me quickly add English, maybe. Alright, so in order to remove the language, simply enter this Manage Input Languages, and now just turn it off just by tapping on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that we've got only English, so from now on we'll have only this layout. We are not able to change it. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.